If you want to tell a story with video, juggling a bunch of isolated apps that generate isolated video clips really doesn't work. So that challenge or frustration is what led me to dig into MovieFlo.ai, a new AI-powered video storytelling app. And what surprised me was the ability to direct an entire story powered by AI that has consistent characters across every scene. Informed by my decades of experience as an award-winning video producer, here's a quick demo. The backbone of MovieFlo AI is this concept, synopsis, scenes, script, actors, storyboard, editor, export workflow. It's really a storytelling backbone. When you create a new project, it helps you also to define what kind of story do you want to tell. You can do a custom, you can do a short film or an ad, but you can also customize for any of the social platforms. And I also really like the ability to define the aspect ratio depending on what output I have in mind. Beyond even the consistent structures is this whole variety of preset scenes. And when you define a style, for example, in the video that I'm working on, I use stylized 3D, and the whole video has that look and feel. I don't have to prompt it for every scene. Then MovieFlo helped me define the concept with a series of prompts, developed a synopsis, and divided that synopsis up into specific scenes and wrote the script for me. Of course, I could edit the script, I could redefine any of the criteria, but once you have a script, it then develops the characters for you. And each character is customizable and renderable in a variety of graphic engines. The actors are then combined into a storyboard, so you have shot by shot and scene by scene how those characters are implemented. You move the image into video, and then
what if there was a way to begin simply?
In this case, I used VO3 to do the lip sync. Then your storyboard moves into the editor, where you have a simple timeline-based editor, and then you can export into an XML file to take it into Premiere and Final Cut, which is what I did in the movie that I'll show you in the next clip. You can export individual files, or you can export the full movie. Overall, I really found MovieFlo.ai to be a comprehensive kind of next generation way to use the power of all the major video generation engines within a single project with a storytelling backbone. I recommend getting into it and giving it a whirl. For more information, go to MovieFloAI.com. Thanks to MovieFlo AI for sponsoring. And no, that didn't sway my opinions. I'm way too old for that. Thanks for watching.